should go in there and see what they have, just in case. So, I believe this says something. Okay. Coca-Cola. Cheese.
Ja, hier heb je boven jas al, maar je hebt er nog jongens.
Oh, what's this?
Ja, ook nog.
I don't know. Vanilla? Vanilla soft drink? 7-Eleven? Okay, so I may buy that. Oh, there's milk. Okay. It's not really a lot going on as for snacks, but I can buy some Japanese snacks at just 7-Eleven. Okay, so you get the Kit Kats and only one though. Not sure what this is. Strawberry something. And like a fake mini Mickey Mouse or something. Alright. More to the 7-Eleven in just that little aisle. There's some gold. And there's a line, so I'm unable to get around it. But I'm still going to try. Okay, so Japanese 7-Eleven. No snack. Here at the airport. No Rita in Tokyo, Japan. They have some, look at this stuff. I think I might hit the jackpot. Some dried fish. What is this? Oh, look, I can't even read it. That's a good sign. Buy something that I have no idea what it is, and then eat it and figure it out later. I think I'll do that. So, I'm gonna buy. Okay, this is my stash that I bought in Japan at the 7-Eleven. Okay, this is strawberry something. It's packaged like Starburst. These look like some type of nut, seed, something. Have no clue. This looks like raw, shredded. Maybe not raw. Raw. Excuse me. Raw but dry. Maybe squid, some type of fish. This looks like a potato snack. Like a potato chip cheese snack, because it says cheese snack flavor. And this one is maybe a barbecue spicy chip. Have no clue. And this actually came out of Vietnam. I did buy some other stuff out of Vietnam when I was there, but I've already done in the past. Okay, so we're going to start out with these. These are some type of nut, maybe seed, snack, all in Japanese. Says, oh yeah, I see it, dried natto with soy sauce. Hey. Alright, slowly but surely going to open this bag. Little tiny nuts, seeds. No. Oh my god. I do not like these. And you know, when I bought these at the 7-Eleven in Japan, the lady picked them up. I looked at them and said, "You like these?" And I said, "I don't know. Never had them before. And I never will." Okay. Cheese snack flavored. Cheese snack flavored. They look like, I've seen these before. Brother, I probably had these, but here, no, they're different. Okay, let's see what they got. They're smaller than I thought. So there they are, cheese sticks. Let's see. Well, not bad. They're a little harder, like dense, harder, like a pretzel, but not salty like a pretzel, and definitely not the same material. Not bad. I'd eat these again if I was hungry. Or I wanted something fast. Alright. So far, it's okay. This is popcorn. I actually bought, like I said earlier, I bought this in Vietnam with some other things. But the other things would be a repeat of what I've done in the past. And I didn't want to do the same snacks. Okay. It's a popcorn. And it has pictures of coconut on it. So I assume that means it's coconut flavor popcorn. So. Doesn't taste bad. Okay. The first initial flavor I received was almost like a caramel flavor. And after chewing, I could taste coconut. I like this. This is pretty good. So far, this and this are pretty good. Alright, let me try this. Can I reseal this? It says, see, it even has 7-Eleven on it. 7-Eleven. This dried fish products. I have no idea. It's probably not dried. Hopefully it's not raw. Alright, here I go, and I'm kind of afraid. See it? Not sure if it's fish or squid or whatever. Oh my god. The smell is horrendous. The taste is pretty bad. Forgive me, I can't eat this. This is the grossest tasting thing. Oh, it's horrible. This is the worst. Okay. So, next is chips. And is there any English on this? There's really no English. But it has a picture of like a salad and chili. So that hopefully it doesn't taste like a salad with chili. Because so far I'm not liking it. Here we go. They're chips. See the chip? A potato chip like. Interesting. Well, I say it. It's strong now. The aftertaste is a little strong. The first doesn't. I don't like the smell. But the first initial, when I first bit into it, I didn't like it. But after I started chewing it, it tasted pretty good. I wouldn't get it again, but it wasn't horrendous like those other two. Okay. Last but not least, it says Haichu. Strawberry. These are almost like the packaging is like Starburst, and slightly different. I don't. Starburst are a little square. This is a rectangular. This is strawberry flavor Haichu. Alright, here we go. Really chewy. Really. I'm still chewing. Flavor's not bad. Sugar and strawberry flavor. And Japanese. So, I would say this would be number 3. This is tied for first. This is number 4. I would never eat this stuff again or smell it. And this is pretty nasty also. That's my snacks. So, that's it. Enjoy. Hopefully you did. See you next time.